guys, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to do a quick, easy card. I'm going to be using Healing Hugs for this one. And what else I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using my Lovely Lipstick spot or Lovely Lipstick. And then for cardstock, okay guys, I know what's here. I am going to be using a piece of 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Whisper White. I am going to be using a piece of Whisper White that's 4 3/4 by 3.5, and a piece of Lovely Lipstick that's 5 1/4 by 4 inches, okay? So I'm just going to take the smallest piece, and what I'm going to do, smallest piece of Whisper White, I'm going to ink up, oh, and I love this Healing Hugs Rose. This is one of the distinctives. See if you can see that. It's all flat. It's totally flat, but you add ink to it, and it just pops. Look at that. Can you see that? Probably not. Let's see. Let's see if I can bring it down. See how it pops out? So I'm just going to add that right here. And then I'm going to add the saying, this is sending you healing hugs. And I'm going to add that right there. And then these are little, looks like cross stitches, you know, if you're going to cross stitch something. I'm just going to put that right down there. Okay, just quick, easy cards. You know, I've been doing quick and easy cards lately since I'm going to be on the road and I need to make quick and easy cards. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to attach these things together. And now, if you want to follow me on YouTube, just check over there. And all the information for the card is down below. There you go. Follow me on YouTube. All the information is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.